slow down and prepare to stop yourself over here now. That's it. So if you look ahead, oncoming, you have got 2 lanes over there.
Yeah.
So that means this grey car is giving no signal, means it's going
straight. It's
coming this way. The other lane is people are going to go over there, so we don't really have to worry about them.
Okay.
Now that's a good example there. See, you see, if you would have gone further,
you will block it. Oh yeah, you give an example. Yeah.
That lorry will not be able to turn that time. Do you understand what I mean?
Oh yeah.
So this is why, hold back. If you're 2 cars in the front, hold back. Now when the traffic light goes amber, you check your mirrors. Green, you move outside where that roughly gutter is.
Okay.
But keep your positioning into the right of the center of the white line.
Okay.
So the traffic from the left will be able to go past you. So go for position a little bit more to the right. Start slowing down like this and stop roughly about a bit more for about here. Anybody else coming in?
No.
So you can go. Follow which curb?
The left curb.
The left curb. Look at the red car behind us. I was too late now. That red car was positioning too far to the left.
Oh, okay.
So he or she blocked the whole traffic behind.
Oh.
If it would have been positioning more to the right, would be able to easier for other road traffic as well.